Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel before the starting the video. So in today's video I will discuss Python comments. So without wasting a time, let's start the video. So Python comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. There are two mainly types of comments. First is a single comment and the second one is a multi-line comments. So let's start. The first one is a single comment. So comment starts with the hash and Python will be ignore them. So hash this comment print. So this is the comment, this line is a whole comment, so output will be the hello world. Then multi-line comments. Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. It is like the triple quote, as we see that we can see that we can write that also like this, single also comment or double quoted comment. So this is the multi-line comment.